Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain how to extract some of the sales data for a particular day in a month. In this workbook, I have sales data for the month of January 2022. Column A consists of dates and column B consists of sales amount. By using this data, I am going to extract sum of the sales of all Mondays in January month. As part of this process, first I am going to extract weekday numbers. Here I am using weekday function equivalent to weekday open bracket. This function consists of two functional arguments. First one is serial number, second one is return type. For the first functional argument, I am considering A2 cell. Coming to return type, I am going to start the week from Sunday. Hence, here I am mentioning as 1. Click on OK. Here, application returned weekday numbers for all the available dates. Next, I am using SumIF function equivalent to SumIF. As week starts from 1, which is Sunday, Monday becomes 2. Hence, I am considering criteria as 2. Here I am providing the sales range. Here total sales equivalent to 1100. Next, I am going to execute the same process by using data validation. Hence, I am creating a validation here. Click on data. Click on data validation. Select the list. Here I am providing the numbers from 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Click on OK. Next I am using the choose function. Choose. In this function, for the functional argument of index number, I am considering F2 cell. Thereafter, I am mentioning the weekday names: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Click on OK. So whenever I change the drop down, automatically application changes the day name. Next, I am going to make the SumIF function as dynamic. Here I am considering F2. Let us see. Right now I am considering 7, which is equivalent to Saturday, and total sales count is 3500. Next I am selecting Thursday and total sales count is 2000. Like that, we can extract the total sales for any particular day in a month by using these functions. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.